Honda Grom Best Motorcycle for Beginners. When it comes to introducing beginners to the world of motorcycling, the Honda Grom stands out as an exceptional choice. Aptly nicknamed the Grom, short for grommet, this pint-sized motorcycle packs a punch that belies its compact size. Designed with an emphasis on fun, approachability, and ease of use, the Grom is the perfect gateway for new riders to embark on their motorcycling journey. Unleashing the fun. From the moment you lay eyes on the Honda Grom, it's clear that this motorcycle is all about unadulterated fun. Its playful and compact design exudes a youthful energy that's bound to put a smile on any rider's face. Despite its small stature, the Grom's character is larger than life, making it an instant favorite among beginners and experienced riders alike. Micro-sized powerhouse. The Grom might be small, but it's equipped with a surprisingly capable engine. Its 125cc single-cylinder engine churns out around 9.7 horsepower, offering a perfect blend of power for urban commutes and joyrides. The manageable power output ensures that novice riders can explore the Grom's capabilities without feeling overwhelmed, all while experiencing the exhilaration of being on two wheels. Built for approachability. Novice riders often seek motorcycles that are easy to handle and confidence-inspiring. The Grom delivers on these fronts, thanks to its user-friendly ergonomics and lightweight. With a seat height of just around 30 inches, riders of varying heights can comfortably plant their feet on the ground, enhancing stability during stops and low-speed maneuvers. This low seat height, combined with the Grom's feather-light weight, makes it an accessible choice for beginners. Agility in every turn. Navigating through city streets and tight corners is a breeze on the Grom. Its compact dimensions, nimble handling, and responsive throttle create a dynamic riding experience that's perfect for urban environments. Whether you're weaving through traffic or making quick turns, the Grom's agility ensures that every ride is both enjoyable and confidence-boosting. Styling that stands out. The Grom's styling is a testament to its playful nature. Its quirky design features bold colors, a distinct front face, and chunky tires that contribute to its unmistakable presence. The Grom's unique aesthetic not only turns heads but also reflects the youthful spirit of motorcycling. It's a motorcycle that invites riders to express their individuality while having a blast on the road. Learning platform. For those new to motorcycling, the Grom serves as an excellent learning platform. Its unintimidating power delivery allows beginners to gradually develop their throttle control and riding skills. The Grom's forgiving nature provides a forgiving environment where mistakes can be made and lessons learned without undue stress. As riders gain confidence, they can venture further and explore the capabilities of this small yet spirited machine. Customization playground. One of the joys of motorcycling is personalization, and the Grom offers a canvas for customization. Its popularity among riders has led to a vast aftermarket ecosystem, where a wide range of accessories and modifications are available. From exhaust systems to graphics kits, riders can tailor their Grom to match their personality and preferences, making each Grom truly unique. Community and camaraderie. The Grom's popularity has led to the formation of a passionate community of riders. Local rides, meetups, and Grom-specific events provide opportunities for riders to connect and share their love for two-wheeled adventures. For beginners, this community serves as a supportive network where they can seek advice, exchange stories, and form lasting friendships. Economical and efficient. For many beginners, cost-effectiveness is a crucial consideration. The Grom excels in this area, with impressive fuel efficiency that translates to fewer stops at the pump and lower running costs. This economic advantage aligns well with the financial considerations of new riders. The bottom line. The Honda Grom redefines what it means to start your motorcycling journey. Its small size, playful character, and approachable performance make it an ideal choice for novice riders seeking a thrilling introduction to the world of motorcycles. With the Grom, you're not just riding a motorcycle, you're embracing a lifestyle of fun, freedom, and exploration. From city streets to backroads, the Grom's compact yet capable design encourages riders to embrace every twist and turn of the road ahead. As a best friend for beginners, the Honda Grom stands as a testament to the joy of riding, the thrill of adventure, and the camaraderie of the riding community.